Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we study about the heat, that is the first chapter of intermediate class. So now we start heat. First of all, I show the definition of heat. Heat is the form of energy that associate with molecular motion due to the difference in temperature. Heat, what's energy? Energy is the capability of doing work. That energy is associated with molecular motion. What is molecule? Molecule is the group of atoms. Similar atoms, a group, that is molecules. What is motion? If body change its position with respect to surrounding, that is called motion. It means heat can flow from one body to another body due to the difference in temperature. हीट अगर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह फ्लो करेगी तो टेम्परेचर में डिफरेंस की वजह से. If temperature of both body is same, then heat cannot flow from one body to another body because both bodies are in thermal equilibrium. When bodies are in thermal equilibrium, then heat cannot flow from one body to another body. And other is definition, which is that heat is the energy which neither create nor destroy. According to law of conservation of mass or and law of conservation of energy, heat neither create nor destroy, but it can be changed from one form to another form. Heat can flow from higher temperature level to the lower temperature level at normal pressure and force. It means when we rub two hands, that time mechanical energy is converted into the heat energy. Not we can say that heat can be produced by rubbing two hands, but we can say that only mechanical energy is converted into the heat energy. And these all forms of energy can be converted from one form to another form. And heat always flow from higher temperature to the lower temperature at normal pressure and force. What is pressure? Pressure means force per unit area, that is called pressure. Unit of pressure is Pascal. And what is force? Force is an agent which tend or try to change the state of motion, state of body. Force to pull or push the body, that is called force. Now, if normal force and pressure, then heat in nature always flow from hot body to the cold body. If these pressure and force are not normal, not a normal condition, then heat can be flow from cold body to the hot body. That is artificial source. Through artificial devices, through artificial source, heat can be flow from cold body to hot body, just like a refrigerator and AC room. In these devices, artificial pressure can be increased, and due to that, heat can be flow from cold body to the hot body. In nature and at normal pressure and force, heat always flow from hot body to the cold body. Simple mathematical equation or relationship will show a new concept, which is that mechanical work done is directly proportional to the required amount of heat energy. It means if you work more time, then heat energy produce more. If you work more time, if you work less time, then heat required amount is produce less. That is mathematically form, mechanical work done is directly proportional to the amount of heat energy required. Now, units. First of all, you know that the joule is the SI unit of all kinds of energy and also work. After then, what is joule? 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. It means when we apply a force of 1 Newton on the body and that body cover 1 meter distance, that is equal to the 1 joule. And also 1 joule is equal to the 0.238 calories. Calories is the unit of energy in CGS system. And 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. Now we can also 1 BTU, B यानी British thermal unit, के हवाले से 1 BTU is equal 1055 joules, and that is also equal to 252 calories. Another is term which is mechanical equivalent of heat. Mechanical equivalent of heat is the ratio of amount of work done to the heat energy required. Ratio of work done to the heat energy required, that is called mechanical equivalent of heat. Mathematical form, J is equal to W mechanical work done divided by Q heat energy required, where J is Joule's constant and its value is 4.18 Joule per calorie. That is Joule constant. After then, we can also explain the definitions and concepts of units of the heat. First, calorie. What is calorie? The amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of mass of water by 1 centigrade. It means if we take the water, that mass is 1 gram. If we take the water, that mass is 1 gram and its temperature is suppose 20 centigrade. When 1 centigrade is rise, that amount of heat energy which rise the 1 degree temperature, that is calorie. Amount of heat energy that required to rise the 1 degree centigrade of water which has mass of 1 gram, that is called 1 calorie. And what is BTU? BTU is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 divided 32 slug of water by 1 Fahrenheit. It means you take the water which mass is 1 upon 32 slug. What is slug? Slug is the unit of mass in FPS system. And 1 slug is equal to 14.59 kilogram. Now, if you take the 1 divided by 32 slug of water, and suppose first its temperature is 20 Fahrenheit, then the amount of heat energy which required to rise its 1 Fahrenheit, suppose it's 20 to 21, then that amount of heat energy required to rise is 1 degree Fahrenheit of water whose weight is 1 upon 32 slug, that is equal to 1 BTU. Now last, that is Joule. As you know, Joule can be defined as when you have force of 1 Newton applied on the body, that body cover distance of 1 meter, that is called joule. Joule कहलाता है. Joule is the SI unit of work and energy. Okay. In joule, we can also, here term is work. That's why we also define the work. What is work? Work is the product of force and displacement. Work is the product of force and displacement. In other words, we can say that when we apply a force on any body, if that body covers some displacement, that is called work. That is definition of work, and SI unit of work is also joule. Thanks.